I would like to thank the management, principal, and organizing committee for giving the opportunity to share our experience in community settings. The previous slides, you might be, while Dr. Sriram is presenting, you might be knowing the opportunities, because everyone is looking for opportunities after completing, because you people are young budding families, you are looking for opportunities after completing your B.Pharm. So from that you might have nearly 85% of opportunity is from community and hospital pharmacy, right? Since I am working in hospital setting, because I am dealing with both hospital as well as the community settings, so probably your job opportunities is more in these areas, so you need to be focused in which area where you want to excel yourself. Okay, so if you want to be in industry, so how you are going to train your